Hi, this is Victoria from crushcrypto.com. For this video, I will be reviewing a new cryptocurrency trading platform called Bgogo. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just our personal opinion and analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Bgogo is a crypto trading platform that differentiates itself as the first exchange to feature Supernode listing authority. The platform currently has 45 trading pairs between various digital assets with Bitcoin, Ether, and Tether with low maker and taker fees at 0.1%. Bgogo utilizes transaction mining, a new feature that is used by a number of exchanges where a portion of commission revenue is distributed back to token holders. Bgogo claims to have a higher utilization rate as it uses a buyback model where 100% of the commission revenue is used to repurchase BGG tokens. A key discerning feature of Bgogo is its supernodes. Supernodes are elected on a quarterly basis based on the top 21 holders of BGG tokens. They are subject to vetting from the Bgogo team, which includes KYC reviews on all candidates. Each supernode has full discretion to list one cryptocurrency candidate during the quarter. 20% of the transaction fees generated by the successful candidate will be returned to the supernode. Supernodes are required to lock their BGG token positions for at least one quarter during their tenure. BGG tokens will be privately funded by 21 blockchain companies and VC firms, as shown in this diagram. They will be acting as the platform's first 21 supernodes. Other unique features of the Bgogo platform include negative transaction fees. Users pay trading fees to Bgogo Exchange and are rewarded with a 105% trading fee return every 30 minutes in the form of BGG tokens. 50% of the total token supply will be used for rewarding users for mining the tokens. Another feature is its daily token repurchase scheme. Bgogo will use 100% of the accumulated trading fees to buy back their tokens, which will be sent to a public burn address and permanently burned. This diagram illustrates how Bgogo's negative transaction fees and daily token repurchase works. Bgogo was established in 2017, initially under the name Bgogo, and began exchange operations in April of 2018. The exchange platform is already live with a number of popular trading pairs already available. After the listing of the BGG token, the platform will be in full operation, offering negative transaction fees and daily token repurchases. Supernodes will be able to exercise their rights, and new supernodes will be re-elected on a quarterly basis. Bgogo will be raising funds by issuing BGG tokens. The hard cap is 17,000 Ether, with 15,000 coming from the private sale in supernodes and 2,000 during the public sale. The fully diluted market cap is around $51 million based on an Ether price of $300. The private sale has already been completed with 10,500 Ether raised from 21 supernodes and 4,500 Ether from strategic investors. Bgogo's public sale will be a Genesis mining event that will start 24 hours before mining is officially open to the public. Only whitelisted users can participate, and they will be receiving a 5% bonus over the private sale price with no lockup period. This chart shows how the total supply of BGG tokens will be distributed. The exact date for the Genesis mining event is still to be confirmed. For the most up-to-date information, please visit Bgogo's website and join their Telegram group. The BGG token is Bgogo's native token, and it serves as a proof of stake for the platform's trading infrastructure. The token is used to incentivize various parties within the exchange. As I mentioned earlier, Bgogo's supernodes are one of the top 21 holders of BGG tokens selected through vetting by the Bgogo team. Supernodes will be entitled to certain benefits, such as the right to vote for listing one cryptocurrency candidate and receiving 20% of the transaction fees generated by the candidate. As for exchange users, they will be rewarded with BGG tokens for trading. There will be a limited number of tokens that can be mined per day. At the moment, a single account can mine up to $1 million in volume each day. BGG tokens should appreciate in value through increasing trading volume on the exchange, which will result in Bgogo collecting more commission revenue. This will enable them to buy back more tokens, which are subsequently burned, and the value of the remaining tokens will go up in value, all else equal. Token value should also appreciate as popularity of the platform increases, which will result in the value of being a supernode increasing as well. Those who wish to become a Bgogo supernode will be incentivized to lock more BGG tokens during their tenure. Bgogo currently has at least 35 people on its team with prior experience in major companies such as Facebook, Microsoft, Twitter, and Boston Consulting Group. The biographies of the key team members are summarized on this slide. The investors include Note Capital, Sky9 Capital, Google Digital, and Hike Capital. The company recently raised $10 million in their pre-A and A rounds from various investors. In addition, there are 21 blockchain companies and VC firms that have invested 500 Ether each to become Bgogo's initial supernodes. These include Pantera Capital, DHVC, Blockwater Capital, Arrington XRP Capital, Hashed, Block VC, Pre-Angel, Signum Capital, and so on. Here are some of the things that we like about this project. Supernodes are unlikely to sell their tokens unless they're planning to give up their supernode status in the next quarter. At the moment, most of the large crypto funds have ample liquidity, so we do not expect them to be reducing their BGG positions and giving up the right to be a supernode in the short term. Each supernode has one opportunity to list a cryptocurrency of their choice on the exchange. This authority can be very valuable if Bgogo scales to be a top exchange. Supernodes are also rewarded 20% of the transaction fees generated by the platform for the coins that they nominate. This provides incentives for supernodes to nominate high-quality coins. Another thing that we like is that the daily buyback mechanism will help maintain demand for BGG tokens. The Bgogo team also has a good mix of experience from the business and the technical sides, including experience from operating another cryptocurrency exchange. As there are no trading commissions for users, Bgogo could gain traction very quickly if the liquidity is strong. This model could be sustainable in the long term as the team intends to eventually make money by building B-Lab, which will be using the platform's own fund to incubate and invest in projects to generate profits. As for our concerns, transmining is controversial right now, and there is currently no proven example over an extended period of time. Using all of the transaction fees for buyback could result in the exchange having to seek other sources of cash flow in order to maintain their operations. Profits from investments done by B-Labs could also potentially be quite volatile. There are a number of well-funded crypto exchanges that have launched recently, so Bgogo could face quite a bit of competition. Compliance and regulation is something that every exchange faces, and Bgogo is not immune from potential regulatory changes and risk. A potential mitigating factor is that Bgogo only engages in crypto-to-crypto trading pairs, which is less risky compared to exchanges that also deal with fiat currency. And because of the buyback scheme, Bgogo tokens are likely considered to be security tokens, and it may be difficult getting BGG tokens listed on other centralized exchanges. Overall, we have an S rating on this project for flipping. The supernodes paid a higher token price than the public, so there is no dumping pressure from large holders due to different pricing tiers. If the project is good, the opportunity for a larger allocation is the bonus already. Half of the BGG tokens held by supernodes will be unlocked on the first day of token listing. However, we believe the vast majority of the funds will not be rushing to liquidate their BGG tokens, otherwise they risk losing their supernode status. Therefore, we believe there will not be much selling pressure at the beginning. Combined with a low initial token supply and transmining hype, BGG tokens should perform quite well right at the start. For long-term holding, we have assigned an A rating. The long-term success of BGG tokens hinges on whether the exchange can generate traction beyond its initial hype. Almost all of the value of the Bgogo exchange platform is accrued to BGG tokens instead of equities, so if Bgogo does well and becomes a top exchange over time, the token should also perform quite well. Given the team's strong background and commitment to the public community and smaller investors, we believe Bgogo has a good chance to succeed in the long run. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, and join our Telegram group to get our latest updates. The invite link to our Telegram channel can be found in the video description. Hope you have a great day and keep crushing it.